Okay, so taking a look at this first one here, the figure is made up of a square and a rectangle. So the square is going to be this one here, telling us that this is going to be 6 meters, and this side is going to be 6 meters. Okay, now, and this side here, the whole thing is going to be 6 meters. Okay, now, when we're looking at this, what this actually tells us is a lot of information. Okay, number one, that if the whole thing is 10 and this side is 6, that means that this side over here has to be 4. Okay, so we can actually at this point go ahead and find the area of this triangle in here. Since this side is 2, this side also has to be 2. So to find the area of the shaded region in here, we're going to just use our formula for the area of a triangle. Area is equal to 1/2 times by the base times by the height. Okay. When we're looking at that, what we can do is we can say that it's going to be 1/2 times by the base of 4 times by the height of 2. So it's going to be equal to 2 times by 2, which is equal to 4. So for our first triangle inside here, that's going to be 4. And we're going to hold on to that number because we still have to do this triangle in here. Okay. Now, for the other triangle, what we can see is that the full square, right? The full square is a 6 by 6, which means the area is going to be 36. We can minus out half of it because half of the square over here is not being used, right? So if we cut this in half, we are not using this part right here. So what we're left with is the 18 in this space here. Now, we have to understand that we also don't use that full area there. We're going to cut out this piece here. So there is another little piece right here that we can cut out. Okay. Now we can do that by finding the area of this piece in here. Now the area of a triangle is 1/2 times by the base times by the height. The base in this case is just going to be this piece here. Now in order to find this piece here, we take the full 6 and minus the 2, so that's going to be 4. So we have 1/2 times by 4 times by 6, or 2 times by 6, which is 12. So we have that this blue piece in here is 12. So we can take the 18 minus the 12, and we're going to end up with 6. Okay, so that means that this shaded piece in here is going to be 6, while this shaded piece in there is going to be 4. So we can take 6 and 4 and add them together to get 10. So we can say that the area of this in here is going to be 10.